Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to spin faster in Skate. Now, it's a feature that not many people know about, but there is actually a way to wind up your spins in order to spin more times after a jump. Now, just to jump right in, I'll show you what it'll look like if I launch off this ramp and try to spin normally. So I'm just going to ollie and spin. And there we go, I just did a 360. One more time, let's see if I can get it any more. Another 360. Now, in order to spin faster, what you need to know is there's two parts to it. Firstly, you need to hold your right stick down. This is so that your character starts crouching. Now, once you're in this position, on your left stick, you need to drag it down and then along the edge, slide it to the right. Just like this, pull it down and also to the left and slide to the left, depending on which way you'd like to spin. And as you can see, your shoulders start twisting in that direction. That's how you know you're pre-winding it. Now, just to show you the difference this makes, I will hold down my right and left. Oh, sorry about that. Right, one more time. Right stick, pre-wind, jump and spin, and there we have it. I pretty much hit at 720, whereas previously it was only be able to hit a 360. It's a really neat feature that not many people know about, and it really helps you rewind and land tricks like 720s, 1080s and stuff much more easily. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment for more, and let me know you want to see in the next one. See ya!